First things first, I appreciate your support. So this is a new twin tap washing machine. This is a Beko, model number WTT100 UK. This is made in Turkey. So before we unbox, kindly like, subscribe and share. I've always been installing fully automatic washing machines, top load or front loaders. But then this is the first twin tap washing machine that I'm installing. So let's see how it goes. Looks good. This is the lid for the wash tub. So just to check everything is intact. This is the washing machine manual. This is the pipe that brings in water, so it will be plugged here later on. Yeah, this lid is intact with that lid. So after confirming everything is intact, now we pull up this box like this. Put it here. The lint filter. And this is the power cable. This is the outlet.
Then it's working. I think the remote for the two home is the one that had a problem. And it's fine, it's even raised.
Source of water, we drain it here. So you get something to hold this tight so that it doesn't come out. We'll clip this. The good thing with the twin tap washing machines, you see there's water in the drum, the pipe is lying on the floor, but there's no siphoning. So twin tap washing machine can easily hold the water compared to the fully automatic washing machines. So it will only drain when you engage the drain timer. So we raise it up because there's an area to drain the water. So we'll put it somewhere here. Put it in here. So the inlet selector, so that one is connected throughout, it's on, so you can switch it off from here. If you want the water to the spinner, I mean this side, and then to the wash side is here, and then you control your water from the tap. That's the main tap. Off, on, off. So this is for the spinner and this is for the wash. Then you stop your water from the main tap. That's why it's called manual, because semi-automatic or manual, because you have to regulate the way water comes in. Fully automatic, once the pipe is connected, the tap is on, the machine regulates the way water comes in. Let's try a wash time. So that is a soft wash, a very soft wash. Let's try something vigorous. Let's drain. So once you've done, let's do the draining. This is the wash timer. The select. Maybe you want to do a bigger, a duvet, a wool, so you use this. And to drain water, this is the drain timer. be draining water. There you go, the machine is now draining water. So all the water is out. So once it has drained all the water off, now you come to the timer, the spinner. So you've removed your clothes here. You unplug clothes. You remove clothes from this wash tub to this spin tub. This one carries a few clothes, so you don't have to overload because it will start making noise. It will strain the motor. The tub becomes weak. So once you put your clothes there, close, and then you come do the spinning. It's like spinning. Once it's done with the spinning, you've selected the time. You see it's running, it's going back. So it will spin and then it will stop. So it's almost, see, the spin timer is moving. You can still stop it. It's off. So we get the tap, the lid. The lid helps with the splashing. So it will prevent water from splashing from there. When it splashes, it can affect the timers. So all the time, the machine should have the lid all the time. Can stop it.